everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I thought I would do another makeup tutorial for you. Today I decided to do a smoky grungy type of eye look, and I hope that you guys enjoy it. So if you guys would like to see how I created this look today, then just keep watching. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to start out with the face today. And I actually have something new to try. I got this as like a free sample from Ulta. This is the Professional Pore Primer. Everybody raves about this. I've personally never tried it, so I'm going to give it a go today. I'm gonna do that much. And I heard that you're supposed to rub it in your fingers first and then put it on your nose. Whoa, it's like very like silicone-y. It makes my face feel really soft. Yeah, it definitely made my pores look smaller, so all right. So for foundation, obviously when I went to Ulta, I picked up another one of the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow foundations in the color 201. The color that I already had was like 204, 203, and it was way too tan. That's my I'm tan shade, and I am very fair at the moment, so I'm just gonna go ahead and try this out. Okay, so now we're gonna do concealer. Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. So now before that creases, I'm gonna go with my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. By the way, let me know if you guys like my my new setup. I'm not gonna do this setup every time, but I figured I want to do something a little bit different today. So let me know what you guys think of this background. Okay, so now that we put the loose setting powder everywhere we put the concealer, let's go ahead and move on to the eyes. We're gonna be using Jaclyn Hill's palette. So for the eyes today, I want to do an all matte eye, and I want it to be very smoky and sultry and sexy. So that is what I'm going to be going for today. So for the upper lid eyeshadow, I want everything to be super diffused and blended out. So for that, the first brush I'm going to be going in with is the Morphe M504. So for the first color, I'm going to go into this one right here, and I'm just going to put this in my crease. Circular motions, windshield wiper motions, and just diffusing that out. It's gonna be a lot of blending. So for this next color, we're gonna deepen up the crease a tiny bit. We're gonna go ahead and use, which one is it? This one right here. It's like a burnt, like coppery orange. And then for this, I'm gonna be using the Morphe M433. Don't be too heavy-handed with this, because it can get pretty intense very quickly. So just put very, very light pressure with your brush. I'm barely putting any pressure on my brush at all. And I want it to be pretty smoky, so I'm bringing it all the way in to the inner corner. So for this next color, I'm going to use this one right here. I'm actually gonna switch my brush to this pencil brush. I think this is gonna be a little bit easier. I'm putting that mainly on the outer third and kind of working it in to about here. I'm not really blending, I'm just kind of placing it, and then we're gonna blend it in a second, but I just wanna get that color down first. And this color is going into the deepest part of the crease. Now I'm gonna go back with my Luxie brush, the Luxie 207, and we're gonna blend that out very carefully. I need a fan break. So this is looking pretty good. I actually want it to be a little bit warmer than this. So to make this a tiny bit more warm, I'm gonna go back in with my Morphe M433 and dip into this orange again. Actually, I don't even know if we even use that one, but we're gonna use it. Now we're getting the warmth that I was looking for. So since this is going to be a matte eye, I'm gonna go into my Tartelette in Bloom palette. So to put the next color down, I'm gonna be using a brush that looks like this. It's just kind of like a flat packing brush. First, I'm gonna go into Flower Child, which is this one. And this is going on my lid. So that is the top of the eyes done. Now let's move on to the lower lash line. To start, I'm just gonna use some of this one right here. And we're just gonna smoke that out underneath. So when I get to the outer corner, I'm kind of just flicking that shadow up to meet the shadow on the top. This is called marrying the eyeshadows together. So now to pack a little bit more of a punch, I'm gonna go in with a pencil brush, go into that same dark brown color, and we're gonna put that against the lash line. Okay, so this is the eyes done. The eyeshadow is complete. I'm gonna throw on some lashes and we can move on to the rest of the face. So I am back now with my eyelashes on. So to amp this up a notch, I'm gonna use the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil. And this is in black, but it's called Perversion. And it's just like a little black eyeliner. And I'm gonna put this in my waterline. I'm gonna do my contour now. If you guys would like me to make a video all about how I do my contouring and highlighting, I can definitely do that for you. Just leave a comment down below if you guys would like to see that. For my blush today, I'm gonna use the Milani Baked Blush in Berry Amour. This is such a pretty blush. Look at that. For highlight, I'm gonna go in with Cindy Luminizer by The Balm, that one. Since I did a matte eye look, I'm gonna be very, very light-handed with this highlighter because I don't wanna go too overboard with it. I just want a little tiny bit of glow, which is weird because I always want like as much glow as possible, but for this I think I'm just going to tone it down a tiny bit so it complements the eyes a little bit better. So because the eyes are so big and bold, of course we want to do a nude lip, so I'm going to do Urban Decay Morning After lipstick. To nude this out a little bit more, I'm going to use MAC Honey Love. That's better. So the last step, you guys already guessed it, setting spray. We do not want this makeup to move. I'm going to be using the Milani Make It Last setting spray. Okay everybody, this is the finished look. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I upload videos all the time. Also, I am on the search to find a brand new pair of fake eyelashes. I only have 2 pairs right now, but I definitely want to get another pair. So if you have one that is like your ride or die pair of eyelashes, please let me know in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys on my next video. Go away, hair. So for the eyes today, God, I look crazy. I look dead. So for the first color, I'm gonna go tapping off the excess. So see, there's this. Water break. This thing was making a noise. Listen. Okay, so you I don't know what I'm gonna say. So just to blend that out, back in with the matte, light colored color. I love when all the hair gets in my face. It's my favorite part.